Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a PlayStation 4 controller to your PS5 two different ways, one with a USB cable, the other through Bluetooth. Now the first option is to go to settings right here and select this with your PS5 controller. Otherwise, you might be able to use your TV remote. Then go to accessories, go to general, go to Bluetooth accessories right here. Then go down to accessories found and place your controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And the light is going to begin to blink then. And once it blinks, we know it's searching for a device to connect to. Let's go on down to DualShock 4 wireless controller and select this. And then we can pair it to our PlayStation 5. And you'll have to select an account now to start using the controller. Now the other way to connect your controller, it's very simple. You just have to use a USB cable, just like this. And then connect one end to the PlayStation 4 controller. And then connect the other end into your PlayStation 5. And this should sync like right away. So we just have to connect it right here and then press the PlayStation button multiple times. So if it's orange, it's going to charge. Then if you press it again, it should turn blue. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.